Hello everyone, I'm hereby presenting the mid-evaluation presentation for the SSD project from the SSD team 14. The title of our project is to provide LXD or LXC container on Ubuntu machine. So the basic problem set for this project is that we have to provide a virtual lab setup for Linux for different students and faculty so that they get a disposable container for testing purposes. The container also has to have a limit on CPU and RAM so that it doesn't hog up the resources of the host. For the solution, we have created a web server using Flask, and through API calls we are accessing the different terminals. The technologies used in this project are Python, Flask, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Docker, Shell in a Box, and Bootstrap. The major components here is the Docker. The Docker is a containerization platform which is used in our project to create the containers. Flask is a micro web framework which is used to create the web server using Python. And Shell in a Box is a Ajax framework which is used to provide a terminal access on the browser itself. The system requirement is as follows: Linux operating system, Docker software, RAM 8 GB and hard disk 250, Python 3. These are the requirements that we are using as a testing environment. The deployment requirements can vary. This is the access we get from the browser. Right now you can see that we are using the username in the address itself, and we are provided with the terminal. To show the working, this is, for example, I have created a socket with this Ramesh Shippy, and we get this terminal for this. So we can run any command here, touch 1 2 3, and we can see that it has provided me the access. Similarly, the simultaneous access can be given to different users also. So right now I have 3 users directly logging in to the web server simultaneously. So this is the code for the Flask framework which we have created, and we are giving the name here. For the Docker container, we have created our own custom image using the Docker file by installing the Shell in a Box utilities. This is the kind of interface which we have provided. So different users log in or request to the web server that is running on the 5000 port on the host machine. And in the host machine there are multiple Docker containers that are running simultaneously to provide the interface for the user. The host ports are then mapped to different containers ports. The Shell in a Box service is running in the container itself on the 4200 port. So whenever user asks for a terminal session, the Flask server ports the open port available in the host port to a 4200 port in a newly created container. The implementation is as follows, which we have described. A Docker container is created using the custom image and then mapped to the 4200 port from the host available port name. And after that, the host name is provided to the container. Work distribution is as follows. Darshit is doing the front end integration part. Shiv is doing the Docker, Shell in a Box and the backend implementation, and Aviv is handling the UI documentation and the SMTP protocol that we have to do after the user has terminated the session. We have to mail them their history of commands. Work done till now is the user is getting the access, and multiple user can directly run or access the web server. The further time implementation we have to do is making system more reliable, setting a timer limit, setting the limits on the container itself, and deleting container after the session ends, and mailing them the list of the history. Thank you for listening to the presentation.